Hey everyone, and welcome back to Fresh Looks and Cooks. This is our 11th episode, and we'll be making red beans and rice with coconut milk. And before we get started, I wanted to make sure to dedicate this particular video to my mother-in-law, the late Madame Simone. Merci beaucoup, nous remercions. Now for this recipe, we're going to go ahead and jump right into the ingredients and the cooking directions for this delicious Haitian dish. Now starting off, what you saw me add to this heated pot was about 1/4 cup of olive oil, and to that I added some Haitian epis. Now, Haitian epis is a spice blend consisting of things like garlic, onion, green pepper, sometimes thyme or parsley, things like that. Minimally, if you don't have all of those things, I would use at least some garlic and onion or green onion. After that, I used 3 cans of red kidney beans. I did rinse those beans, and traditionally for this recipe, people will cook their beans from dry, but just for the ease of everything, I went ahead and used canned beans. From there, we used 2 cups of water and 2 cups of coconut milk. Additionally, there are also 2 Maggi cubes that I used. You can use some more salt, but I would do that to taste, but you don't necessarily need it. Now, after the water comes to a boil, we're going to go ahead and add 2 cups of jasmine rice. So that's 4 cups of liquid to 2 cups of rice. Now, we like jasmine rice at our house, but you don't have to use that kind. It does taste delicious and slightly different than your regular long grain rice, but I recommend it. So please try it out and let me know what you think. Now, from here, my stove has been on high at this point, but I'm going to go ahead and turn it down to about a medium to let the water evaporate within the rice, but I don't want the bottom to burn, so I will stir it a little bit during this process, but keep it at that low until all the liquid is gone. After that, I'll go ahead and put my lid on, and the rice will cook on low. So we're gonna turn the heat down to about a low and cook at for about 20 minutes or so, maybe a little bit longer, but at least 20 minutes. The nice thing about this recipe is that you can switch out some of the beans if you like. So instead of a red bean, you can use black beans. You can use pois Congo, which is like it's a pigeon pea. You can use Lima beans, any type of bean. And if you don't like the coconut milk, you can actually just switch everything out for water and actually try it with different vegetables, like a mixed vegetables or sweet peas or spinach. All of those things are really good in this rice dish. You might have saw earlier that I pulled out a packet of Goya Sazon. I did not use that in this dish, but you can even use that in your rice dish as well. So of course, after my 20 minutes, this is my final result. We ended up eating our rice with poule free, which is a type of Haitian fried chicken. You can do it with a braised chicken, like in a sauce, or I like mine with avocado. So if you ever have rice that is slightly undercooked, just put it in a mound, much like this one, and put a little bit of hot water and oil over it. Place a sheet of foil over the top of the pot, and then add your lid on top and continue to cook it on low until everything is done. So everyone, merci parce que nous regardez vidéo.